Global sea level has risen about 8 inches since 1900. Since then, human interaction has been the most significant factor towards the rate of the rising sea levels. Hotter global temperatures create the rising sea levels. Coastal communities are at an immediate threat when it comes to sea level rise. North Carolina's Outer Banks are no stranger to this threat. The Outer Banks are a string of islands off the coast of North Carolina located in the Atlantic Ocean. These islands are home to about 50,000 people. It is estimated by 2045 that there will be more than 15,000 properties on the banks that will be at risk of major flooding. The most recent Union of Concerned Scientists report on sea level rise focused on the commercial real estate and flooding. Through this report, the estimated amount of damage for properties was reported. It was revealed that about $753 million will be spent on repairs from flooding. Not only are the residents in danger, but so are many businesses on the islands. Being a tourist attraction brings in a lot of revenue for the banks, but if the islands become flooded frequently and too often, businesses will cease to exist. Some places, such as southern Florida and even Maryland, people have begun to rethink their daily lives regarding chronic flooding. Residents have begun to have an alternative vehicle that is able to be exposed to salt water in cases of an emergency flood. Some are even relocating to more inland areas. Scientists hope that releasing the report of the Union of Concerned Scientists, the residents of the Outer Banks will be able to think about what they should do within the coming years regarding chronic flooding.